In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5. If you want to view and prepare cryptocurrency pairs for trading in MetaTrader 5 on desktop, the process is simple once you know where to look. The main idea is to make sure the symbol you want is visible in your Market Watch panel, because that panel is where MetaTrader displays the instruments available from your broker. Start by opening MetaTrader 5 on your computer and logging into your broker account. This part matters because the list of available instruments, including cryptocurrencies, depends on the broker account you are connected to. If you are not logged in properly, you may not see the correct symbols or categories. Once you are inside the platform, open the quotes panel called Market Watch. The quickest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and M on your keyboard. If you prefer using the menu, you can also click View and then choose Market Watch. When the panel opens, you should see a list of instruments and their current prices. Next, right-click anywhere inside the Market Watch window and select Symbols. This opens the full symbol list available on your account. Think of this as the directory where MetaTrader stores all the instruments your broker offers, even if they are not currently displayed in Market Watch. In that symbols list, look for a folder named Crypto or Cryptocurrencies. The exact label can vary slightly depending on the broker, but it will usually be something similar. Open that folder and browse through the available coins or crypto pairs. When you find the cryptocurrency you want to trade, click on it and then click Show. This makes the symbol visible in the Market Watch panel, so you can monitor its price and open its chart more easily later. If needed, you can repeat this for multiple cryptocurrencies, so they all appear in your list. There is also a faster method if you already know the name or ticker of the coin you want. At the bottom of the Market Watch window, use the search bar and type the coin name, for example, BTC, then press Enter. This can help you find symbols more quickly without manually browsing through folders. After that, the crypto symbol should appear in Market Watch. If you do not see any crypto instruments at all, it usually means your broker does not offer them on that account type, so keep that in mind. And that's how to add crypto in MetaTrader 5.